Hi, Jeff Merrill from JMYS and Selene Yachts Americas, and I wanted to do a little market update on the trawler market and also talk about the growth, the expansion, the acceleration, the rejuvenation that Selene Yachts Americas has done with the Selene brand. I've been in the trawler business for over 30 years, and I've been full-time trawler since 1999. Used to work for another very popular brand, very well known, and Selene was always a competitor. So I got to know my competition. I spent a lot of time on Selene's. Over the many years that I've been doing this, I've sold a number of Nordhavens, Katie Krogan's, Selene's, DeFevers, all the different brands. But Selene has always been a little bit of an off brand only because the marketing in the United States and Canada has not been consistent. When Selene America took over, Wayne Goldman and Paul Cifka, they created an entire geography of Canada and the United States. So Selene North America, they're doing the entire thing. And by doing that, they're able to set up offices in different places and really bring the awareness of the brand back up. They've been at all the Trawler Fest. They're sponsoring Rendezvous. We're coming to you right here from the Roche Harbor 2026 Selene West Coast Rendezvous. There's one more rendezvous coming up in Baltimore. That'll be in September. But the brand awareness has never been stronger. Selene's always been a good solid boat, but who do you buy it from? Where do you get it? It's always been a bit of a mystery. That mystery is solved now. In December of 2025, we went to the grand opening in Zhuhai, China of the Selene expanded facility, and we had dealers from around the world come meet with us. The collaboration between the dealers, the brand that's going on is amazing. One of the newer models, a design that's been out for a couple years but has just taken off, is this new Explorer series. So this is Grotto. She's been at a number of events. Hopefully you've had a chance to see her. So a lot of boat sales happening. I think there are 14 or 15 boats going through the yard right now. 3 new Selene's built and managed by Selene Yachts Americas have entered the U.S. market and arrived. Another one's getting ready to ship. There's just a lot of great activity. The brokerage market is also hot. With all this expanded effort in marketing, the awareness is up, and I have a degree in economics, supply and demand. The awareness and the desirability of getting a Selene has never been stronger. So if you own a Selene, keep it. The value is going up, but when you're ready to sell, you're gonna be surprised at what the value of the boat is, how much it's worth. So would love to get you to get involved more with the Selene Yachts Americas team. Their website information is right here. You can get in touch with Wayne or Paul or any of the sales team. It's a great group. I'm proud to be part of it. Thanks for watching. The market is strong. Get your Selene and go out cruising.